What's up, everybody? Here we are on this Memorial Day weekend out here at Gingerman Raceway in Michigan, Grand Haven. We got the car out here to do some testing. After the big wreck, I knew I needed to take it to the track. Hopefully, get on the track before grid life in a couple weeks. So here it is. Obviously not painted like we talked about in the last couple episodes, but you can see here it's sitting there, sitting pretty. Got the glass out of it, which kind of sucks because it throws so much smoke in the cab. But pretty much good to go. I've taken it out a couple times this morning, and went through 4 tires so far today. I got it pretty dialed in. It's working real well, especially because I didn't have time to get it realigned. I kind of was just going for it. It looked right. I pulled some tapes on it and whatnot, and it felt pretty good. Like, it looked pretty good measuring out wise. It wasn't too far off. And then pretty much playing with tire pressures. This track's really sticky. They replaced a lot of the asphalt out here over the winter or early spring, and it grips up really good. Like, this car, it's fast. I fixed the boost problem. It was pretty simple. It was just a collapsed vacuum line. It got hot and collapsed. It's pretty much as simple as that. It was opening up the wastegate too much, and I was probably over boosting, probably 30 pounds of boost at low RPM when I was out in Atlanta, which caused the back end to lit up real bad, and just lost a lot of grip. I mean, I was second lap in when I wrecked, so I wasn't quite even dialed. This first time I really drove the car this year was Atlanta. I haven't had it on the track since last July out in US Air up in Wisconsin. But at any rate, feels pretty good. I'm having fun with it. We're out here with a couple buddies, and then the rest of the guys out here. It's kind of a private invite only kind of day. I lucked out. I know a guy that knows a guy that hooked me up with this, so I'm pretty thankful for that, especially because you get to come out here, dial the car in, and then be used to this track for grid life, so I don't have to do a lot of practice runs at grid life. I can just go straight into tandem and having fun with all the other Pro 1 and Pro 2 drivers. So anyways, that kind of concludes this. We're gonna try to post some videos. It'll be this one, obviously you won't see this till maybe later tonight. There'll also be a few videos on Instagram of clips of us sliding around the track. I'm gonna mount the GoPro to the car. I'm gonna try to do some onboard footage and just kind of maybe do a small edit, or just maybe throw it up on YouTube raw. So hopefully you guys maybe enjoy that later on. Get something other than me just working on metal, and get some actually driving involved. So anyways, it's Memorial Day weekend. Hopefully you guys are all having fun and not partying too hard. So have a good time. See you guys.